Good morning. It's Buick Saturday, and Willie, aka Old Tank, sent me these rubber strips. I got a full set, and these go right here, and then your stainless vent screen would go over top of that and screw in. And one of the things that screwed me up, or I was wondering what was going on here, is that I had these other rubber seals, and I had this mark. It says seal win W-I-N, vent. And I had 4 of these. And the odd part about these is they're totally different than the ones that Willie sent me, and the ones that One Bid has. I went and looked at One Bid, and it's got this style right here. But what's really weird is that these, for some unknown reason, they fit like this. And I know that's not correct either way, top or bottom, but they actually fit perfectly, and they're slightly curved, almost as if that's where they go. But physically they don't work because they're too big down here, even though they even have the curve and they fit perfectly. And then the 2 long ones fit perfectly on the center section. I mean, they just slip on perfect, like they were made for it. So that's kind of a controversy of where they actually go, because there's no way they can fit on this, unless for some unknown reason these were super soft and pliable at one time. But I believe that this rubber piece would show, I think. I don't think that would be covered up. So anyway, still don't know where these strips here go, but I do know that One Bid has this style. Whoops, wrong one. Has this style here, and they will fit in there nice. I made a discovery. I found some photos of the Cowl here when I took this thing apart, and they show this rubber piece, very strange shape to it, just laying like this when I took it apart. Just laying there, not attached to anything. And I thought, well, maybe it attaches to this trim piece that goes here, and it doesn't attach to that either. So it appears that they just laid this in there, and I don't know of any other, nobody seems to know of any other 55 Buick, Century, or Special that has just a piece of rubber laying there. They all have the other pieces that go on here. I had to do one thing that was original in my car. I got this cloth electrical tape sticky kind of on both sides, and I put it along this ridge here. And if you see in the photos, that's what was there originally. And it may also help these rubber strips hang on, because I'm going to glue those on there. There's the ones that are just kind of temporarily put in. Those are going to be glued in next. I bought a 22-piece tube of these little clamps for $4.99, and it looks like they're doing the job. I glued those babies on over top of that porous cloth tape, and we're going to let those sit a while. Didn't quite have enough. I had to use some clothespins, but I got them all glued in place. All right, take 2. I had these upside down. I had them the other way. I don't know. They might have worked, maybe not. I don't know. But Willie told me they were not correct. I went and took another look at one bid, and I did see in this corner over here, I'll show you in a second, that it was hanging down, and that looks like it's the correct way. So we're going to go out and take a look at that quick. I don't know if it's possible to see that, but you can see that that one is, that little lip is folded back, not forward. So that's the way this one is. So we're going to go with that. Trim pieces are finally on with the wiper mechanisms and the wiper motor. Everything is on there. I don't have everything tight yet, but it's snug. I don't have anything in the back snugged up yet, but got something done. Thanks to Willie, I got it done right instead of putting them on upside down. But looking pretty good. Now I just got everything else.